to this. Hi YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel for another video.
Yeah.
This is one with the kids. Yeah, let's get this started. If you want to see what we're doing, keep watching. Oh, and it's an update. Turn the camera this way. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are going to do an unboxing. And we're gonna give you guys, oh Lord, a room update on the boys' room and what we have changed in it. Okay, our first thing that we're unboxing is our room decor. Okay. Hype it down. Hurry, Dory. Hold on, Dory. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Okay, move. Alright, I'll pop the little canister out.
Make sure to subscribe to get a subscribe fountain of you see this channel.
Stop. He said, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Also,
Leave a like.
And subscribe. Yeah, a like.
Alright, guys, back up. Let me show them the decor. Okay, the first one up is Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. I like Paw Patrol. I like Paw Patrol.
Okay, while hubby hangs this on the wall, I'm gonna unbox the second one. Take it away, hubby.
Take it away, hubby. Take it away, hubby. Take my Paw Patrol away, hubby.
Okay, while he does that, let's unbox the second decor. Let's see what this is. What is that noise?
This car. I'll take this one. Oh, man.
Alright, this decor.
Yeah, this is the car.
Let's see, Ryan.
Oh, it's Captain America.
No. And.
Sonic.
No. And. Let me do it this way. Drum roll.
Oh, it's a curve.
What does it say? Eat.
Game sleep.
Games?
Eat, sleep, and game all day.
Sleep, and
Every
game.
day.
Game.
Not every day. Don't listen to me, y'all. That's just something I say. All day, every day. Really? Calm down.
Sorry.
Alright, so hubby's gonna do that
Ow.
as well. And then we'll show you guys back how it looks on camera. This is what it's like doing the unboxing with kids.
Especially with midgets.
Remember,
Stop.
you can't fight with the stains on camera because, gotta be good.
Sorry.
I'm not gonna do the unboxing.
No.
They're not gonna get their gift, you guys. They're not.
I'm gonna rip it.
There's nothing on it. Okay, come on. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, so we end up ordering 4 things. Well, I ordered 5 things, me and hubby. Sorry about my hand. Only 3 of the ones for them came. We're waiting on one for Romeo, so that's why he's not in this video. And he's chilling, so he's like, nah, I'm okay. Watch your Dory. So, calm down, guys. I also have an item in here for myself, which I'm going to be using when I wash the kids' hair in the kitchen, because I need a more comfortable station for me to wash their hair, especially when it's not related to them taking a bath. So the items I ordered from Walmart.com. So let's open this big old box up and see what's in it.
I hope what's
And I'm doing it with the kids because I want to see their surprise.
Their reaction.
I think it's gonna be games inside.
Good luck.
It's not games, it's movies.
Y'all ready?
Yes.
Everybody, wait. Everybody looking?
Oh!
Back up.
What the?
What is it?
Sonic!
What you got?
Sonic!
Yes, guys, we have Sonic heads in the house. I didn't know. I was gonna order Dory one, but hopefully she doesn't be sad because she likes Sonic too. Hold on, Dory. So we ordered. Let me have one.
Hey!
We ordered 3 Sonic pillows, which are 22 inches long. Hold on. I'm gonna just show them.
I'm greedy.
And this is how big it is.
Ha ha ha!
Isn't that cool?
It's
All
gigantic.
right, let's put it to you, Philly.
Gigantic.
Philly, come to the camera so they can see how big it is to you. This way. Come on this side. Look how big it is to him, you guys. It's actually a pillow. You want one?
Pillow buddy.
There you go. And we ordered these because we had a miniature one. And they was fighting over it so much that they pulled the legs off.
They wear that thing.
So it went in the garbage. Sorry, I did not want to throw our little Sonic guy away. We had tried fixing it before too many times, and this time was a done deal. So hubby went looking online, and he came across this guy, and we both thought it was cool. So yeah, so we got 3, so they don't have to fight. Oh Lord, I almost failed. So they don't have to fight over them, and they all have them for their beds. So, you guys like your gift?
Yeah!
Alright, the last thing I ordered was
Sounds like this.
KinderMat, and basically I'm going to be using this mat on the kitchen countertop to give the kids comfort when I wash their hair. So you'll see this in one of my upcoming videos. So, yay! I saw some mats on like things that help with washing the hair on Instagram, but the way our kitchen is built, the countertop is right over the sink, so it don't give me that extra space to have to use those particular items. So bummer I wasn't able to invest in a small company and to show you guys here on YouTube, to share it out with you all. So I ended up just getting a basic KinderMat, and I'm going to just use that for comfort to wash your hair. And this particular mat, I like it because it's wipeable, so if it gets wet, it doesn't mess it up, you just wipe it off. So, thumbs up to that.
Awesome.
So, what do you want to say, Ozzy?
Dory just want a big Amy.
It's so funny because I actually was trying to look for that, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So, anybody else want to say something before I show the decor
Yeah.
and the updates?
Yeah.
No.
Y'all good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the updates in the room. And what Alright guys, while hubby finished up the last wall decor, let me show you what I changed in the room. Don't mind the stuff on the floor, that's from the packaging. So I ended up adding the kids' bookshelf in here because I needed to change some stuff around in the living room. So they have their bookshelf in here now. That's right above the Batman. We still have Genesis' bed over here in the corner, and now he has one of his Paw Patrol's decor up, and that looks really good, babe. It actually looks like somebody painted it on the wall.
Yeah.
That looks so nice. And we got that from Walmart.com as well. So his bed is over here. We actually have one of his Paw Patrol paintings that actually hubby is going to paint, or I'm going to paint, and we're going to put that on this wall that's empty. Stop, guys, stop. Another update we did was I have no idea what we did. I moved the toy bin on this side, underneath the shapes and stuff. That's still over there. Sorry about all the lighting. Oh, and we had added in this little rack. I got this from IKEA. And basically I thought this was cool for when the kids, when it's a cold day, they can hang their little coats on it. So a little coat rack. So I thought that was pretty cool. And Philip's little thing he had on the wall, the command hook to hold his backpack, it actually fell off. So I didn't put that back up here. His book bag is sitting on the floor right now. It's too heavy to be up on the wall. So for now it's on the floor. So are you done, babe? Nope, not yet. Oh, and then over here above the other toy bin is we put the Spider-Man. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys. So, I'm sorry about that. I started coughing. It's a little hot in here because I got on all these lights. So, we had the kids' Spider-Man poster canvas back over this toy bin. And we put their dragons, on that toy bin and put in their dinosaurs and dragons. It's knocked over right now, but it's okay. They're playing. And I finally put their toys inside the little cubby holes. I can't show you the other one because hubby's over there. These are very convenient and, yeah, very convenient. I love them. So, yeah, that was the updates. Everything is pretty much the same. Everything is pretty much the same. Just a little added in a little bit, few more touches in here. Making more of their space, their room, their stuff. So, yeah, hubby's still working on the other stickers to go on the wall. He was saying when I first came back on that he don't really like this one. The way they made it too thin, the cutouts, and you have to actually do it one at a time. So, I'm gonna let him finish that up, and then we'll show you the end result at the end when we close the video up. So, keep watching, guys. He's already putting him to work. Really? Really? Why are you making your Sonic fight that, Sonic? You giving your Sonic a thumbs up?
He's like...
And this one here, playing in the box. Hey, what you doing over there?
Yeah. What's good?
She in her own little world, chilling, messing with the phone.
He's like, leave a like in this video right now.
You heard what Sonic said? He said, like this video right now. Give it a thumbs up if you like Sonic.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Sonic power.
And so, hit that bell button
For all our notifications.
Yep.
See, we got this maniac Sonic right here. I don't know what he doing. What you doing? Oh no.
Yeah.
Alright guys, keep watching. We'll be back. Grand reveal of the last sticker decor. Isn't it so cute? Let me zoom in. Hold on.
That's cute.
It's so cute. Okay, for real, guys, this is how it's supposed to look. Let's step back a little notch. Check this out. What in the world?
Abstract art.
What is this? What happened? Explain.
What you really is gonna get when you buy this thing. I'm not saying all of them. You gotta remember it's vinyl, so the way they cut the thing out on the paper, some will be perfect, some won't be like it's cut. So yeah, I got half of this. The other one, they want to come out in this.
So what? Why you still put it up on the wall?
It's abstract art. It's probably kind of cool. I mean, it's art.
No.
Oh my gosh.
It's good. I like it.
Okay, so hubby's the artist, so there you have it, guys. Eat, sleep, and game. I guess you could say that's one of our controllers because I don't know how many controllers these kids have broken.
6.
Oh my gosh. Well, all right.
Comment and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit our bell button.
For notifications.
Piggyback ride.
Piggyback ride.
Alright guys, there you have it, our unboxing and room update. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. And if you are new to my channel, we do have one more child, which is our oldest son, Romeo. And he's in his room chilling right now. So, just wanted to let you guys know, we are a family of 7. Stay tuned because our family is growing and let's find out how. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye.